I'm Dr. Venu. Today I'll be talking about mole and a cancerous mole, which is also known as melanoma. I'm going to tell you the easy way to assess this mole, which is 5 steps. First one is asymmetry. Just imagine when you fold the mole into half, it loses its equality. That is a melanoma. Second is the border irregularity. The edge of the mole is very rocky and not smooth. Third will be the color variation. Instead of a mole being in a single color, there will be a lot more color in a single mole. For example, red, black, and pale colors. Next will be the diameter. You gotta assess how big the mole is. When it's cancerous, it's most likely to be more than 6 to 7 mm. Lastly, the mole will be evolving, meaning to say the mole will experience some change in color, shape, and size. If you notice any of these warning signs, please see your doctor as soon as possible for a better assessment. Remember everyone, early detection comes with better cure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more info on healthcare tips. Bye!